Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. With the release of Inkscape 1.4, the open-source vector graphics editor takes another big step forward, introducing powerful features that make the experience even more versatile for designers and creatives. In this video, we'll explore the main new features and see why Inkscape remains an excellent choice. The interface is still intuitive and clean, with an improved layout that ensures a smooth experience even for new users. This version introduces several enhancements that boost accessibility and customization, making the workspace better suited to everyone's needs. Key new features include the filter gallery, which allows for filter management with previews and search options, making it easier to apply visual effects to projects. The modular grids offer advanced customization of grid parameters, ensuring greater precision. The Swatches Dialog has been optimized, with improved support for displaying colors in various formats and the ability to find custom palettes easily. Font management has also been enhanced with a unified font browser, allowing for quick previews and searches. Among the innovative tools is the Shape Builder, enabling quick modifications to raster images directly within the interface. Additionally, the Object Properties panel has been made more intuitive, facilitating editing tasks. Another appreciated feature is the ability to customize the handles on the canvas, choosing color, size, and transparency to improve usability. The improvements in format handling include support for importing Affinity Designer files and adding links directly in PDFs. In conclusion, Inkscape 1.4 demonstrates how open-source software can be a powerful and user-friendly solution, perfect for anyone looking to create vector graphics without compromises. Trying out this version means discovering an even richer and more professional experience. Thanks for watching.